Okay, you're welcome to today's tutorial. For today, we'll be looking at how to convert a Word document to PDF document, from Microsoft Word document to PDF document. The first step, there are a few steps that we'll be observing. The first step is to launch your Microsoft Word document. Launch the document, and when you have done that, you should have the same interface as mine. The document should be on your screen. You now proceed to save as PDF. Go to your file menu, click on file menu. Along the left pane, move down to export. You find export, click on export, and then ensure that you have currently selected the Create PDF/XPS document option. Then proceed to click Create PDF/XPS. Now your dialog box that pops out is where you will save the document to. You select the folder you want to save to. I want to save this document to my desktop environment. So I'll click on desktop, and then the file name, very important. Some of the times you save a file, you may forget to give it a name, especially if you're new. You're just learning to use the computer. So you click on the file name box and then type in the name. You can decide to erase what is there by using the backspace key, or you highlight everything. As soon as you click, it highlights like this. You don't have to delete or do anything. All you need to do is just type the name. You want to call it illustration 2, and then ensure that you are currently on PDF. In the save as type box, ensure that you have PDF selected, because we have two options here. We have the PDF option, and we also have the XPS document option. So we want to save as PDF, but this process is the same. If you want to save your Word document to XPS document format, the process is the same. You simply choose XPS at this point. So, but for this tutorial, we are concerned about PDF. So I choose PDF format. Then we proceed to click on Publish. Remember, we saved this document to our desktop environment. So we have successfully saved. For my system, I made some settings that will not launch applications automatically. So by default, as I saved to PDF, the document is supposed to launch automatically on a web browser for me to see that I have saved to PDF, but I deactivated the option. For you, you may find that the app will launch by itself and open up a PDF file. It's normal. So let's go to our desktop environment to ensure or confirm that we have saved to PDF. We minimize our Word window. Then check around your document in the desktop environment. You can see illustration 2 here. Now I want to launch this file. Be sure that's what I saved. There are two ways to launch a file. You double click or right click and choose open, or click once and press enter on your keyboard. So I double click, and here is the file we just saved. Alright, so you have successfully converted your Word document to PDF. I hope that this video helped you. I would wish that you like the video and share the video to people who may be in need of this knowledge. I also appeal that you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever there is a new video, you may be notified of the video. Thank you very much for watching to this extent. See you in my next tutorial.